Hello everybody. Today, as you can see, this is a different episode where I'm doing fidgets. So, this is going to be tricky choosing some. But I will choose 5 and I'll put them on the table and then I will come back and I'll start showing you them and playing with them. Okay? So see you then. Bye bye. Okay, so this is the first one and I'm not really sure where I got it, but first you open it up, then you have to try and tap the teeth or push them down, and eventually one will make it snap down, and you got to try and get all the teeth down before you get to that one. Ow! It doesn't hurt that much, and yeah, you just gotta keep trying and trying, but maybe put your finger the other way or something, or you'll figure it out so it doesn't hurt, because it doesn't really hurt. Okay, I'll see you in a minute so I can get the next one out. Okay, so this is the next one. It's really cool because it has these little rings here and a little button, and you push it, then just here, some air comes out of it, or water, I don't know, and then it pushes these little things up, and there's 2 little, I turn it upside down so I can clear it. There's 2 little poles or something here that go up, and then you gotta try and get them on there. And it's really fun, and I could do it for a long time. Just sometimes this bit pops out of my other one a lot, because when I was a kid I used to pop it out on purpose. And see that there's a big gap here. Normally you'd fill it up, or I put it under the tap like that, and I just let it run in there with that out. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want water all over my tray. So, yeah, that's the second one. See you at the next one, or when I do it. This is probably my favourite one I'm going to do, because it's a circle or that, and you go, and it goes that way, and it's a baguette or something. You can hear that crackling ASMR. And then it goes that way. That and that. What I like to do is I do that, or that, and then I go boop 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 boop. So yeah, this is probably my favourite, but I could do this all day, because it's so fun, just that, and then crackle, crackle. Okay, let's have a minute of just listening to this crackle, okay? Okay, that's enough crackling, because I did about 25 seconds of crackling. That's enough. So I'll get on to the next one, if I can stop doing this. So see you then. Okay, so welcome back. I've just moved to the tiles, and this is the next one. I moved to the tiles because this is a bouncy ball. I'll just get that in a minute, and I'll do it again without me talking. So I'll see you then. The fidget, and it's pretty cool because I can do it's pretty tricky though. You gotta have it like that. There we go. Makes a bit of an irritating noise if you do it for too long, but it's quite satisfying. Just listen for 20 seconds or so. I don't know, maybe it will be for 20 seconds. Okay, let's go. Okay, that was good enough. So those were all my fidgets today. I hope you liked them. And next we're going to have Centos, then Blue Peas. So I'll see you then. Bye bye for now. It goes like this, and I'm just gonna move it. Oh, whoops.